Honestly, quite impressive as far as structure is concerned. Even when you look at other high quality assets like Cardano, which everyone really just considered like a blue chip, when it was so big and it was so heavy, and they're willing to pay pretty much any price for it. And you look at where Cardano is now, I'd say the XDC probably has greater structural strength overall than when you compare it to even some of the big quote unquote blue chips like Cardano. We're also holding a very key level in here right now. You had wicks here in 21 and 22, resistance here in 23, support. And we found a decent bounce in here on this 5-day chart, showing a little bit of strength over the 200 weeks, struggling with the 50 days. So we still have a ways to go. The level that I need to see recovered here is going to be that like 5.7 cent region. That's going to really put us back in much more comfortable territory. That's what we were trying to lock in, was this previous top as this new floor, and obviously below that kind of invalidates that. So we are watching for this to be our new key support. You break over this and reclaim, then you have opportunity for that uptrend to ensue. Obviously you break below that, then you are looking at, let's say somewhere in the 3.1 cent region, but you have a meaningful catch point here. You have seen the right reaction that you want to see from the get-go, right? You guys see that in there, and you have good structural integrity. So from a momentum-based standpoint, I think it has really, really good opportunity to the upside. Now there's no imbalances, but let's go ahead and grab even like this more recent crash in here. And you did hit the 1.618, but you could still see maybe more interim term targets if you were to reclaim that key level we discussed there, somewhere in the rounds of maybe like a 3 to upwards of a 5x into those areas of interest. 8 extension put us close to an 11. But I do like the chart setup as a whole. If I had to kind of just remove all the other, factors and considerations, structurally, it's very, very strong.